Every Sunday, I sit down and review my weekly English progress.
A weekly progress tracker is one of the best habits for consistent English learning.
In my tracker, I write down how many new words I learned, how many speaking practice sessions I did, and how much time I spent listening.
And don't forget to note your grammar mistakes and how you corrected them. Also track your reading and writing practice.
At the end of the week, I ask myself 3 questions. What went well? What needs improvement? And what will I focus on next week?
This simple tracker keeps you motivated and shows your real progress over time. Without tracking, it's easy to feel stuck.
Remember, consistency doesn't mean being perfect every day. It means showing up and making small improvements regularly.
Consistency is the key to mastering English.